Thank you for yielding. Thank you so much, Grandma. Grandpa, whatever the hell you are. Nope. No lane splitting. It's not legal, you turd. It's not a lane for driving. It's not a lane for driving. You're just itching to pass, ain't ya? Okay. Tailgating's not very nice, you know that? Okay. Pass, fail. And again. And 3. Hat trick of pass fail. That was an exit dive. Exit regret Cameroid. Trick to the lifting Toyota. Okay, yeah. Yeah, there's a cutoff. Go, go. He can't get. He won't be able to fit. Go. Go. Gee. Idiot. He. Yeah. If you just pulled out, you idiot. Dickhead. Hey! What an idiot. Exit dive in front of a big rig. God, you're dumb. Clean, sugar. And that's the next dive. Without you with my... Oh boy, here we go. Yeah. Mega pass fail here. Whoa! 1 LVW something something something. These fucking turds. Dude, thank you. Stop, Volkswagen. Thank you. You're not gonna stop, are you? No, you didn't stop. And you didn't stop. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna look, see what's coming, and there's nothing. So I looked and everything and all that. Yippee, 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 yippee. Hey! Range Rover. Sell bus company, they suck. Oh. Hey, 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 hey. You too. Porsche prick, exit dive. What was that? There's next stop. Direct to the left lane, Toyota. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Terribly sorry. The first one has anything to do today, I guess.
What's the deal, Laurie? Rallies continue across the country aimed at stopping a rise in violence against Asian Americans.
Hey, 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 hey!
Lives lost in last week's shooting spree at devastating.
SouthportTrucking.com. We're in the red. What the hell is this? What the hell are you doing, lady? You're holding up traffic.